Hi everyone, my name is Ibelkis Núñez and my ID number is 152-1755. I'm in English phonetic class in the session 2 with the professor Hugo Santana. And now I'm going to talk about the consonant sound O. 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 Okay. To begin, the manner of articulation of a sound is how the air string is affected as it goes through your vocal tract. Essentially, the manners of articulation describe how air is modified to create different speech sounds. Manner and place of articulation. The manner of articulation of the consonant O is lateral. This means that the air strings escape along the sides of the tongue, and the tip of the tongue is placed against the velar ridge, and the bony ridge behind the upper teeth, and the air string is directed over the side of the tongue. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, let's watch a video about how to make the consonant sound O. Okay.
Okay, first, slightly open your mouth. Next, pay attention to the position of your tongue. This is key to making a correct ol sound. Touch the alveolar ridge behind your upper front teeth with the tip of your tongue. If you don't know what the alveolar ridge is, that's where the pointer is right now. Now, lower the back of your tongue. If you make this sound correctly, you should be able to stretch out this sound like this. L. Let's try saying it. L. L. L.
Okay, come back. Oh. Are sound all, voiced or voiceless? The O sound is made through the mouth and is voiced, which means you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. O, O is defined by the position of your tongue and is an approximation, which is a sound made by creating a narrow space in your mouth through which air flows. And in this case, is the space between your tongue and the side of your mouth. Okay. How the O sound is spelled? The O sound is spelled with the letter O or double O. These are example. Male, loose, mole, yellow. Okay, continue. Here are some words that start with the O phoneme. Last, leave, later, laugh, love, lake. Here are some words with the O phoneme sound in the middle. Child, problem, always, black, clean, glass, place. And here are some words that end with a non sound. People, little, national, control, animal, role. Okay, now these are example. but in this case, in sentence. Okay. This is a very nice place. She is beautiful. I was there until 8 p.m. Look at the bird. He is very healthy. You need to drink less coffee. Okay. And continue. Now I'm going to talk about the consonants O and R. So compare and contrast O and R. The consonants O and R are both voiced, leaky consonants. However, O is pronounced with the tip of the tongue, touching the gum ratio, while R is pronounced with the tongue near but not touching the roof of your mouth. Look at the picture and repeat after me. O, O, R, R, O, O, R, R, O, O, R, R. Okay. Now you can hear the difference between O and R in these words. Lift, rep, climb, crime, feel, fear, balls, bars, hot, heart, feeling, fearing, alive, arrive. Now listen to the conversation. Okay.
Hello, this is Diane and she's Ibelkis, and we have to make a conversation using our sounds. My sound is the sound and what is your sound, Ibelkis?
Oh,
Okay, perfect. So, Ibelkis, you have a very long hair. I like it.
yes. I like your glasses.
Oh, you like my glasses? Thank you so much.
Yes.
I don't like touching my glasses with my fingers because you know that it gets dirty, but whatever.
Yes. I know. I know that.
Oh, you know that? Perfect.
Yes.
Um,
No, I want to ask a question. Do you like
you
to
want to ask me a
sing?
question? Okay, go
Do
ahead.
you like to sing?
If I like to sing, of course
Yeah.
I don't like to sing. I mean, I sing for myself, not for anyone else, because I don't think that I'm not, that I'm good at singing. But do you like to play games, video games?
A little, a little.
Okay, a little.
And
Okay,
you, do you
perfect.
like?
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
Oh.
To be honest, I love it. And if,
And
go ahead. Sorry.
sorry.
Go ahead.
No, go
Okay.
ahead, you.
And are you going to take the exam on Friday? Are you prepared for taking the exam?
Oh my God. Almost.
Almost
Almost.
prepared?
Yes.
To be
And
honest,
you?
I don't feel that I'm prepared, but I'm going to take the exam. I'm going to take it.
Oh my God.
But I have a
Yes, that's
strong
sure.
feeling. Yeah, sorry. I have a strong feeling that I'm going to pass the exam. You know,
Yes.
I have a feeling that I will.
We will pass this time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You had positive
They have to be positive.
and
Exactly.
seeing in the exam.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Well, Ibelkis, tell me, do you have a favorite singer?
Nah,
No,
no,
you
no,
don't have a favorite singer?
no. I listen
No.
all genre,
All
all
genders?
kind.
All
Yes.
kind of genders and all kind of singers. Okay, got it.
Eh,
No, I don't have a
esa.
favorite singer either.
Mm.
No, I don't.
Me neither. Oh.
So yeah. Look at my nails. Look at my nails.
Oh my God. So
Let me see your
cute.
nails. Let me see
Oh
your
my God.
nails. Okay.
It's very
But
ugly.
I'm just trying to find, I'm just trying to find words with your sound and with my sound so we can have a conversation. That's why I say that's why I said nails, because we have the sound your sound.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. But
Yes.
yeah. All right. I think it's enough.
Ah,
It's enough. I think it's enough.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So yeah, that was our video and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.